Hello students, today our topic is heterocyclic compounds and the compound is today is pyrrole. So what is the basic requirement of for a heterocyclic compound? It must be cyclic, it must contain one heteroatom, must contain at least one carbon. So heteroatom must be oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur or any non-carbon atom in the ring and it must be cyclic compound. So what is pyrrole? Pyrrole is a 5-member heterocyclic compound. The formula of pyrrole is C4H5N because it contains 4 carbon, 5 hydrogen and 1 nitrogen. So if we see the structure of pyrrole, what we will see and what we predict from the structure. First of all the ring atoms, the atoms present in the ring are heteroatom. So all ring atoms in pyrrole, 4 carbon, 1 nitrogen are sp2 hybridization. So what is sp2 hybridization? That this carbon, this carbon, this carbon, this carbon are sp2 hybridized. These form sigma bond, these bonds. The first bond, these are sigma bonds. Okay, they are sp2 hybridized and nitrogen is also sp2 hybridized. And these bonds, the double bonds are pi bonds. So carbon carbon, this bonds, this bond, carbon carbon, carbon hydrogen, nitrogen hydrogen are sigma bonds. So these are single bonds. Each ring atom has an unhybridized p orbital. So ring atoms have unhybridized p orbital. So these are p orbital 1 1 1. So p orbital, unhybridized p orbital are able to form double bonds. Carbon contain one electron each, which is take part in the double bond, and nitrogen contain two lone pairs. So nitrogen contain two lone pairs. So one electron carbon. So we have 4 electrons from carbon and two lone pair, one lone pair, so 2 electrons from nitrogen. So we have total 6 electrons in the molecular orbital which can take part in resonance. So you have to remember the definition of resonance and what type of electrons take part in resonance are important. So pyrrole show aromatic properties. So you have to keep in mind what type of compounds show aromatic properties. So first of all, it must be a cyclic compound. It must show resonance. Okay. So if these 2 points fulfill this criteria, then we have Huckel's rule, which is 4n plus 2. So we will also discuss Huckel's rule detail in our class. So you will see the orbital structure that 1 electron from 1 carbon and 2 electron from nitrogen. These electrons are part of pi cloud. So these are move around. So they make a electron cloud. So they take part in resonance. So we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. So you have to solve this equation for 6. 4n plus 2 equal to 6. The answer for n must be a number, not a fraction like 0.5 or 1 by 2. Okay, it must be a whole number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that these 3 properties must be fulfilled by a compound to show aromatic properties. And if we see the structure of pyrrole, it is a cyclic compound, it shows resonance and it obeys Hooke rule 4n plus 2. So now we will study resonance theory and the resonance structure of pyrrole. So if you see the structure of pyrrole, so what you have to do? So in some books you will see that it will start the movement of electron from here to here, then here, then here. But for your easiness, you will start the movement of electron from 1, 2, 3, 4 and then back. Okay, it is easy to remember and then for you it is easy to draw. So if we start the movement of electron from here to carbon number 1 here, then we have this structure. Okay, because electrons are moving and this bond will shift to here, and then this bond shift in this position, and then we have this structure, and then this electron moved here, and then this bond will move here, and this bond will move here. So this is the movement of electrons, and then this electrons move here at this position, then this bond move here, and this bond move here. So, and then up in the last, if this bond move here, and then this bond here, this bond here, this is the same as the first structure. So it is very easy, but you have to keep in mind there the movement of the electrons, not the movement of nitrogen. Okay, these two electrons from nitrogen are moving. Okay, and then everything is moving because the pi bond is also moving from here, then next, then next. So it is a cycle. So you will see that we normally also like in benzene, we draw the structure of benzene and then we make a circle inside. So it is the same for pyrrole, because there is delocalization of electrons. So there is resonance of pyrrole, and this is the structure of pyrrole. And maximum number of if a compound show maximum number of resonance structure as compared to other compound, suppose if one compound is making 1 2 3 4 5 structure resonance structure, and one compound is making 4 structures, the compound which is forming 5 structure is more stable than the compound which is forming 4 structure. So you have to keep in mind. And then we will start with the preparation of pyrrole. In pyrrole, this is the simplest. So you have the furane, which we will study after pyrrole. If it reacts with ammonia, we have pyrrole, and then we have water. And from distillation of succine amide, you will see that these two O's are removed by the zinc, and then we have pyrrole, and 2 hydrogens also, because there are one hydrogen. And then we have preparation from ammonia. Acetylene react with ammonia, so we have pyrrole in a red hot tube. This is special tube for this reaction. And we can also prepare from 2-butyne 1,4-diol. So from 2-butane 1,4-diol, which reacts with ammonia, we will have to provide heat and some pressure. We have pyrrole. Okay. So there are also some reaction in the books, and also you will find some reaction of pyrrole from the internet. You can also remember these, you can also learn these, and you can also write these in your exam. Okay, you are open to go. You can consult reference books which I already provided in the course outline. You can also study other mechanism or other reactions of this compound. It is up to you that you have to study from the slides or from the books. Then what is chemical reaction of pyrrole? Acidic character, act as a weak acid. Why? Because it has the power to give only one hydrogen, which is H positive. Acidity about the same as that of acetylene. So if pyrrole is heated with potassium, we will have potassium pyrrolate. And if we will heat potassium pyrrolate, we have 1 methyl pyrrole. And if we heated 1 pyrrole methyl pyrrole, we will get 2 methyl pyrrole. So it is the acidic character. You have to remember few chemical reactions of pyrrole. So it is also up to you that you have to remember from the slides or from the books or from anywhere. Okay, so but you have to know what type of reaction pyrrole have the properties, or what have the chemical reactions of pyrrole. Okay, because in the exam I will ask you what are the write the chemical reactions of pyrrole. So it is up to you. Okay, you write as maximum. So it is up to you that how many chemical reaction of pyrrole you can remember or memorize. So now what are the chemical properties? It is also the same, the chemical properties. Pyrrole undergo electrophilic substitution at the 2 position. Attack of the electrophile at 3 position leads to an intermediate with only 2 resonance structures, while attack at 2 position leads to an intermediate with 3 and more stable resonance structure. So I already told you that if one compound is forming 2 structure and one compound is forming 3 structure, the reaction or the compound is more stable with 3 resonance structure. This is the reason electrophilic attack occurs at 2 position rather than 3 position, because at 2 position we have 3 structures resonance structure, and at 3 position we have 2 resonance structure. I will show you how. So this is the electrophilic attack at position 2. So if it will attack at position 2, this is the electrophile with positive charge, because electrophile can accept the electron. So now we have positive charge here. Then the lone pair, because lone pair take part in resonance, so it moves from this position to this position. Okay, and then we have this structure. So we have only 2 structure of pyrrole. Then we have only 2 structure of pyrrole, and if we remove this hydrogen, the bond will came back to its original position and lone pairs came back. So we have only this structure of at position 3. Now what happened at position, and then it is less stable. How it is less stable? You cannot say without comparing it with the attack at position 2. So now we will talk about position 2. So if it will attack at position 2, that it will attach here, then we have positive charge at position 3. Then this bond moves here, which I will show you here. Then we have positive charge here. Then the electron move towards here, and then electron moves here. And then when we remove the hydrogen from this position, okay, then this bond moves here and this bond moves here. Then we have the pyrrole with more stable, because it has 3 structures. Why it is more stable and why attack at 2 position occur? Because of 3 resonance structure at position 2. Simple. Why attack of electrophile occur at position 2? Because it has 3 resonance structure and it is more stable structure than position 3, because position 3 has 2 resonance structure and is less stable. So now we will talk about chemical reactions of pyrrole. So I already talk with you regarding pyrrole undergo electrophilic substitution reaction at 2 position. So first of all, halogenation. So pyrrole react with Br2, which is bromine. So then we have 2 bromo pyrrole at position 2, because electrophile attack at position 2 and is more stable. Then we have nitration HNO3, it reacts with HNO3. Then we have 2 nitro pyrrole, it is also at position 2, because electrophilic substitution occurs at position 2 and have 3 structure and is more stable than position 3. Then we have 2 nitro pyrrole. Now we will talk about sulfonation. So it will react with SO3, and then we have 2 pyrrole sulfonic acid, it is also at position 2, because it is more stable. And then we have the reaction with acetic anhydride, it also react with pyrrole, and we have 2 acetyl pyrrole, and it is also attack at position 2. All the electrophilic substitution occurs at position 2, and I already told you the mechanism, and we will also discuss it again in our class. And then we have the other reaction of pyrrole. So it also attack at position 2, and then we have 2-phenyl azopyrrole in the presence of HCl. Then it also react with CaCl3 in the presence of potassium oxide, which is KOH, and then we have 2-formyl pyrrole. So these are few chemical reactions. Now we will talk about the properties. So the name pyrrole, azole, imidole, and AUPAC name is 1H pyrrole. Molecular formula, molecular weight 67.09, 19 gram per mole. So you have to cram, you have to remember these physical properties. Okay, but for the chemical property you remember the reactions. Okay, you try to understand what is going on in a reaction, that if it will go electrophilic substitution, it is at position 2. How you can prepare it? Okay, there are 4 or 5 different methods I already told you. You can also consult different books, but these are fixed. Like physical state, it is liquid. Color, colorless liquid when fresh. Order, example with the chloroform. Taste, burning, pungent taste. Boiling point 129.7 degree. Melting point minus 23.4 degree. Solubility, it is soluble in alcohol, ether and dilute acid. Also soluble in most organic chemical. Density 0.9698 at the 20 degree. So it is almost, I think, similar with water. Stability, darken of exposure to standing with air. So the color changes because of the exposure to air. So decomposition, when heated to decomposition, it emits highly toxic fumes of nitro oxides. So use it as a flavoring agent. Occurrence of pyrrole ring. So it is present in corn, amino acid, proline, hydroxyproline, chlorophyll and heme. So pharmaceutical drugs. So you have to. So it is your assignment now. Okay, so these three drugs, so these are pharmaceutical three drugs which I told you, you have to draw the structure of this drug. Okay, so this is your, also I will ask you in the lab, in the lab when we have the quiz, draw the structure of atorvastatin, and also you have to remember this. So this is very important. And then thank you very much for your attention for the online lecture. And if you did not understand anything, we will revise everything in our 2 lecture when you came back to the class. Thank you very much.